Yo, what's popping again? What's popping again? Welcome back to Fast Sound Effects, some of those, another lit video. And today I'm going to give up the market focus analysis the next week, right? So the previous videos that we've been doing, guys, the analysis have always turned out to be great, right? They're always blue. So maybe if this is the first time you're watching this video or you came across this channel, guys, I believe you might consider sticking around and maybe watching this video to the end. If you learn something out of it, you might consider smashing that subscribe button, right? So maybe let's get started with the analysis. Yo, welcome back gang, welcome back. So let's begin with the analysis. So I'm looking at NZD USD. Actually, I did this sell entry yesterday. Then you can see already price went to my side up to 55 pips. So that's what's up. So let me just show you something, gang. Let me just show you the reason why I did take that entry. All right, so we can see that price is still in a downtrend. Okay, price is still in a downtrend. All right, so now it's just the same strategy that I believe I do talk about every day. The same entry strategy, gang. That's what I've been using. All right, wait for price to break a structure before taking that entry, right? So you can see generally price was still in an uptrend in the 4 hours, but then I knew that we're still in a downtrend. Okay, so now I just had to wait and for price to break the uptrend, that is the uptrend higher low, right? The low, before taking that sell entry. And you can see, first of all, actually price was let me show you something. Price was actually going up when I saw this market, but then I believe that this was somehow a manipulation. The reason why I did believe this was a manipulation was I saw something on USD JPY. I did take a trade that was a buy, and so I believe that now dollar had strength. So what it means is that when dollar has strength, NZD USD had to go down, right? So when people are buying NZD USD, I had to mark the previous high, which was this joint, and the previous low was this joint over here. So this was the supply, and then this is the demand zone. So all I had to wait was for price to break out from this demand zone. That is just what happened from 1 hour candlestick, and now you can see that's what's up. But then I still have to watch out for this market, because I believe it's still going to push up then come down, right? So probably we have this trend line over here, then we have the second also here. As you can see, we have two trend lines. Okay, we have first, second touch. Now I'm waiting for the third touch, probably before going up, or rather the first, the second. This is the first, second, and then we also have first and second. So third touch has not happened. All right, so generally I can say that we are still in an uptrend, gang. We are still in an uptrend. So for good buy confirmation, you see, if I remove that trend line, you can see we're still in an uptrend. So price has not yet broken this zone over here. Okay, let me just use a different color. All right, you can see the price. Let me remove these two. That's so price has not broken this trend, uptrend. Okay, so you can see this is the first, the second, so has not given us the third touch before going up. So probably something like this before going up. All right, we are still in an uptrend. So but then we the reason why I also did take a sell, because there was also another uptrend within that uptrend. I don't know if you guys can see this, right? So price broke that zone, that's why I did take that sell entry. But still I have to keep on watching out on this joint. This is now, let me remove this, let me remove everything. Okay, now this is now the focus for the next week. I just have to remove these two. Okay, now the next week focus, now you guys have to be keen. You need to be attentive over here. So this is what's up. You need to make your trend lines also neat for you to get great results. So this is now NZUSD. NZUSD, guys, of course it's still dropping, there's no problem, but then this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that price should come back and then bounce off this support over here, reject, then before we go all the way up. All right, all the way up, probably 279, because I'm still expecting that for this support to be broken. Of course we are still in a downtrend in the higher time frame. For this support to be broken, I'm still expecting that the market should go up. All right, give us now a reversal pattern, which is a double top, before now dropping massively. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. That is just my anticipation, but generally we still have to see and watch out what the market will try to do, or what the market will try to tell us. Okay, these are the zones that you should be looking out for. So now I have that support in place. Of course, it doesn't mean that if a price breaks out from this support over here, that now that's a confirmation for me to sell. No, I just have to wait for price to break out from now this previous higher low. Okay, this previous low over here, that's when we should take a sell entry. Okay, but we are still in an uptrend though in the 4 hours. Okay, so now this is the same stupid strategy that I've been using, guys. When price reaches this zone over here, it's just the same thing. Yeah, I'll wait for price to go up. Actually, let's just go to the lower time frame. The lower time frame, probably let's go to the lower time frame, actually to the 15 minutes. Okay, now to the 15 minutes, this is what I should be expecting. You can see now price is still coming down with that downtrend. Okay, price is still in a downtrend. Okay, so now probably this is, let's anticipate this is what will be happening. Come on, why is that happening? Okay, this should be happening like this. This should be happening like that. Okay, so that is just my anticipation. Okay, so now the same stupid strategy that I've been using, guys. For me to take a buy entry, I should wait for price to give me the change in direction. So I should identify that to be high, the immediate high. So I should wait for price to break out of this zone like that. Okay, now in the 1 hour time frame, I should be waiting for a bullish candlestick to break out like that. Okay, and then now take a buy entry. Take a buy entry. If that happens, then target all the way up. Okay, so that's quite easy, right? This should be your first take profit, 126 pips. Then the second or the final take profit should be 231 pips. That is just the anticipation. Okay, but if that does not happen, then the reverse should happen. All right, the reverse should happen. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm talking about, but still I'm in for buys in this joint. NZUSD, I'm in for buys, and if that does not happen, I should wait for then price to break out of this zone. If price breaks out of this zone, then I'll not wait for any retest or anything. I'll just now swing this joint all the way down. Okay, all the way down, probably to this zone over here, probably 480 pips. Okay, 480 pips. Let's see the daily. Of course, I believe, actually gang, I believe we should be going up because DXY is also in a flip zone. DXY is in a flip zone. Let me just show you that in a minute. So when the DXY is in a flip zone, I believe it will drop. So when it drops, that means that the dollar is going to lose strength, and if the dollar loses strength, then anything that has a dollar then it should be going up. Look at that. This is a flip zone of the DXY. For now, we can see that it's telling us that it has broken this resistance, but I still believe it will go down. Right, I still believe that. And maybe if that doesn't happen, maybe I should see some structures for uptrend before going up. All right, and if that happens, then that means the NZUSD will continue dropping, right? But I still believe DXY is in this flip zone to go down let's just analyze this joint. Okay, look at that. DXY, we were still in a downtrend. We were in a downtrend like this, we were in a downtrend like that. Then price broke out of this joint, went down. I believe now it's going back for a retest before going down. All right, that is what's up. So let's see USD JPY that I did analyze and then uploaded that video yesterday. You can see what happened. This was crazy when people was talking about selling. I did take a buy. So this is what's up. Generally there was two trends. Okay, we have the first one over here, then the second one. So that means if price went down and broke this support over here, then it was supposed to go and test the second trend line. We have the first, second touch, then maybe the third touch, but then that did not happen. At the 4 hours, I just saw that price was giving us something different, right? And yes, price just smashed again. 209 pips was hit. And if you did not watch that video, I believe you should watch that video too. You should watch that video too. How I did analyze this. I did analyze this USD JPY. So that's what's up. It's smashed 209 again. 209 pips. It's easy. Look at this with only few candlesticks. You look at this massive one candlestick 4 hour. So that's what's up. So now let me just remove everything on USD JPY. I don't see anything, but then eyes on NZD USD. Then let me look at Aussie CAD if I can see something. Okay, all right. This is amazing. So Aussie CAD is really in a downtrend. Okay, wow, why didn't I see this game? Come on, let me remove this. Sheesh. So Aussie CAD just okay. Aussie CAD broke this support, so that should be a good sell entry. Aussie CAD is crazy. You know, this was my alright. Yes, it did happen. My anticipation was I was waiting for price to go down. Let me just show you that. I was waiting for price to go back. Come down to this support, this trend line over here. Then now probably go up, then give us a double top. You can see this before going down. Okay, but then I think price has already just broken this this support over here. Let me go back to the 1 hour and see what happened. Okay, oh, either way, it was Friday. So this joint is looking so nice, gang. Aussie CAD. I don't want to think twice about this joint. We had a break. Look at this, gang. We had this break over here. We had this great candlestick over here. That was a bearish candlestick. If I saw this, I could have taken that entry. And yes, I'm going to wait for market to take this sell entry. Immediately the market opens on Sunday, I'm going to take this entry. I don't want to joke. I'm going to take this sell entry, gang. I'm going to take this sell entry and swing this joint all the way down to this zone over here. In fact, that was my anticipation. Come on, baby. Why didn't I see? Either way, I'm not late. I'm going to take this sell entry. Aussie CAD. I'm with you, baby. Aussie CAD has broken this trend line and has broken this joint over here. The previous low was broken too. Why won't I take that entry? I'm going to take that entry. Aussie CAD. Let me see. So let me just make Aussie CAD to be on the first, because NZD has to play out. NZD. Let me see. NZD CAD should also be going down probably. Oh, and then the joint has already gone. Okay. The joint also broke. Look at that. NZD card, I did analyze. I smashed 124 pips. The first one smashed 257 for buys, then for sales smashed 124. So we can see, gang, I was anticipating that maybe if price hits this zone, it might bounce back then go up. That has not happened. It has just broke this previous low. This previous low was broken. So NZD card, I'm going to take another sell entry. I'm not going to joke on this joint. When the market opens, I'm going to take entry on NZD card too. Alright, I don't want to waste time here. So now this is what's up. This is what's up. Everything has been in a downtrend. Oh come on, where is Monday? Oh come on, man, come on baby, come on. Let me see in the hour time from what happened. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Look at that. This joint is still in a downtrend. In a downtrend, baby. In a downtrend, baby. Look at that. Either way, if a pullback happens, it should just reverse on that zone. But I don't believe there should be a pullback up to that zone already. Alright, still in a certain zone, a supply zone, no problem. I mean a demand zone, there's no problem. But I have to take that joint. NZD card, I'm going in for sales. Aussie card, I'm going in for sales. Let it do that. GBP NZD went up. I believe I missed that entry despite making my analysis. Let me show you the reason why I did not take that sell. I mean that buy entry. Oh no, I didn't want to risk. You see, I would have taken that. I mean, I would have hit that take profit. Right, so let me just show you something. So my analysis was I was to wait for price to break out of this joint over here, but then price broke out massively. So if I did take a sell, I mean a buy entry, of course I would have risked 143. And then that's the first reason. And then the second reason why I did not take that buy entry was this zone over here. All right, I thought that maybe price might go back, so maybe I was waiting for a pullback to get more buys in before we going all the up, but then that did not happen. Price just went up, broke out from this zone, this high over here, then went up. So if I did take that buy entry, I would have smashed 194 pips. In fact, price went more than that. Price just went up to 228 pips. All right, that is crazy. But then there's no problem. The same week we smashed Aussie, I mean GBP NZD, we smashed still 271, gang. So do not worry, we've been smashing that. Let me see, GBP card should be going. Let me see. Oh yeah, GBP card, I've been waiting for this joint too. All right, baby, GBP card should also be going down a little more. Now that card is still giving, is still pushing other pairs down or currencies down. So I'm still, look at this, we have the first touch, the second touch, waiting for the third touch. You can see this joint over here. So I believe GBP card should also, this is just a manipulation, guys, so don't fall in for this buys. All right, wait for price to come back and then retest this support. Then look out how price will be behaving on this support, and if you see price breaking out, then you should take that buy entry. That is if it breaks the previous high. All right, and if it breaks the previous low, you should wait for price to break out from this. Okay, that is what's up. That is what's up, gang. I don't need to look out for other pairs. I still I'm okay with those pairs. So now GBP card should be the third one. So Aussie card, I'm going to sell when the market opens. Okay, just wait for the spread to come down, right? Then take that sell entry, same as NZD card. All right, baby. Those are trades that I should be taking the moment the market opens tomorrow. The moment the market opens tomorrow, I'm going to smash in those trades. I'm going to take in those trades. I don't want to joke. Right, I want to joke. Aussie card and NZ card. Then GBP card, I'm still going to wait out and see how it plays out until this zone. Remember, these are about 200 pips to the down, so I don't want to take a buy entry then this drawdown. In fact, price might go back to this support over here, so should be more than 200 pips, and that's a drawdown that you don't want. Actually it's 313 pips, you don't want that. NZD USD, I'm going to wait and see how market's going to react on this. All right, same GBP NZD, I don't have anything on that. Let me just remove everything over here. I don't need that. It's done. Or for reminder, yeah, let me just remove everything. Don't want to get confused, so get out. So let's now zero in Aussie card and NZD card. I'm going to take a sell entry. I have those confluence, the confirmation are good, and that is Aussie card and NZD card, good for sales. GBP card still has to go down a little more. You can see, guys, any pair that has card is dropping those joints, right? And then NZD USD should see how it is going to react on the support zone. And if it breaks the structures on the upper side, I'm going to take in my buy position, right? And if it breaks the lower structure, then you should take your sell. It's just the two-way, guys. You either buy or you either sell. Just react to what the market is doing. Pure price action game. I wish tomorrow or today was market day. I would have taken this trade. I don't hesitate, even if they still this drawdown. I would have taken, in fact, the bet. So anyway, I'm not going to regret that. Just have to wait for the market to open, man. I wish today was Sunday. Either way, no problem, gang. No problem. So that's what's up. If you learned something, guys, I believe you might consider smashing that subscribe button. I just gave you the next 6 signals, all right? And the reason why you should take the entry and what you should be looking out before taking the entries, gang. Just gave you the signal, right? So maybe, guys, you might consider smashing the subscribe button. I also give this video a thumbs up. Give it a like button. Okay. And maybe until next time, gang. Adios, amigos.